Yeah, it looks good. Should I bring it over here? And I'm gonna have you stand right next to me here. Right here. And
cool.
and then you just give that a pump every like minute or two.
Yeah.
That'll keep it going. I'll tell you what, actually, why don't you go around the other side? Go around this side of the front. I think that would be the best. Be on different sides. And go ahead and
I'm right at the entrance of the other beehive. So
we're doing this beehive. Go ahead and give that a little smoke at the entrance. Did you smoke the entrance?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, do it again. Good. All right. Now I'm gonna lift this up.
Okay, to use the smoke.
Go ahead, yeah. So give him some more smoke. It's good. It's enough.
I'm gonna go to this side.
No. I said stay over there. Stay over there, please.
Oh, a whole bunch of bees are going back in.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna lift this. Oh look, we got a smushed guy here.
Oh, sad.
Sorry, buddy. Let's open up this entrance.
What's that? Oh, that's not better for.
This is the hive.
So we're gonna look for queen in here.
Listen, I'm gonna slip this under here. You give it a little smoke underneath there. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, all done.
It actually really blocks my eyes. Wow.
Oh, we got a lot of comb. Alright, let me give this a little tap.
Oh, that's so funny. I just saw a bee.
Okay, they don't seem to want to leave that.
Oh, that's so cool, Papa. I just saw a bee just poke his head inside a piece of some honeycomb.
Okay, now, let's hope that these guys started drawing some stuff out. Alright, give me the smoker, please.
Uh-huh. Where?
No, stay where you are. Just hand it to me. Thank you.
Can I go on your side?
No, you cannot. There's not enough room.
Please, I give up. Please.
Got it? I'm gonna smash B here.
That's sad.
Joseph, what's going on? All those bees getting smashed. Now, we're gonna have to replace this one here with waxed. Alright, so we're gonna look at this one. Now I'm concerned about this hive because they're not drawing out comb at all. I don't know why. Like, look at that. I waxed that. Nothing. Nothing. It's concerning. Don't know why they're not drawing out comb. Doing a ton on top.
Tell me if we get stung.
Yeah, they're just, what's going on with these bees? Oh, it's frustrating. Okay.
Is any honey?
Give me the smoker.
If you find any honey that you get, can I try some?
Maybe.
Those are so good.
That. But give me some smoke right there, please.
Okay.
Right here.
There.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
Oh, there's some honey there. Is that honey? Yeah, I think it's honey.
Alright, we're gonna focus on what we're doing. There's a bunch of bees.
See?
We have a ton of pollen. Oh my goodness, look at all that pollen.
Wow.
Okay. Over on this side we have
Is that honey in store too?
a bunch of empty frames.
Can I see?
There's nectar in here.
Oh wow, it's cool. I can see some like digging their heads inside. Look at that one. Look at that one there.
Yeah, he's putting something in there. Okay, so just put that one like that.
Yeah, no smoke.
Not yet. Yeah, give me some smoke right here. Good. Oh, not enough. Right there. It's good. It's good. Good. Good.
Now that I just saw one in the way you push it.
Okay, give me some smoke right here. It's good. It's good.
So do you want me to do that so you don't actually like shock the bees?
Okay, this guy is gonna go over here. I got a job for you.
Yeah?
I want you to scrape this bird comb off like this. Just gently push it like that.
Yeah.
And then make sure you take the bird comb and put it in your pocket. Okay?
You have a pocket? Where?
Careful with your other hand. You don't want to crush bees with your other hand. You got a pocket, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait, just wait a second. Alright, so we got brood. It's good to have. Oh, we got larva.
Any pupa?
See a larva. See a lot of larvae of different ages. There's the queen's probably laying.
Oh wow. Look up. I just saw there's a drone. Look how big that is. Look how big that bee is.
Where?
Look right there, right there.
Yeah, buddy. That's the drone.
Yeah. But it looked a little more long than I the drones I've seen. There's some comb right there.
Okay. And this side has a lot of brood, and brood pattern looks very good. Let's just show the camera here. There you go, camera. There's the other side.
What are we gonna do with that like little spot of chunk or chunk of
Right.
from the bottom?
Let's see. Okay.
I just saw a bee climb over a bee.
Huh?
I just saw a bee climb over a bee. That's interesting.
Now, give me my tool, please. We're gonna. I want you to smoke right here.
What do you?
Here, hurry up. We don't have all the time in the world. Right. We're just gonna.
Should I try to grab it?
No. Let's see if I can. Are the bees off of it?
There's still one on your hands.
I know. Here, hold that.
It's very waxy. Oh, there's some pollen in it.
There's that. Put all that in your pocket. I don't see the queen on here. Do you? just gonna really. You always want to move in slow motion. Okay, give it another puff of smoke, my boy.
Just everywhere?
Yeah, just everywhere.
That good?
Uh-huh.
Ugh, the smoke now looks a little like sort of yellowish looking.
Okay, give it here and here.
Okay. Yeah, I do not like his smoke. I've heard the smoke is to calm. Ooh, look at that honey. Right there. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
It looks so delicious.
This is a heavy frame.
Should I give that a little smoke?
Okay, we got pollen.
Ooh, drone. That drone.
Let's see if I can.
Wait, is that the queen or drone? Right there, look. Look, right there. Is that drone?
Is it drone? Okay, we got some larvae here.
What?
See if I can't see in there with the
Tell me
flashlight.
if you ever get stung.
I'll let you know. It's just empty comb there. Let's look at the other side. Did I show the camera this? I don't remember. Uh-oh. There's a queen cup. Nothing in it. Okay.
Wait, can I see the queen cup?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second.
Oh wait, there's some.
Oh, there's the queen.
Where?
I'll show you in a second.
No, that's a drum there.
Right here.
Oh, look at this!
There she is. Don't touch her, please.
Should be yummy.
Let's see if we can find.
I thought there wasn't a queen in here. Was it? Okay.
Let's look, see if she's laying. I don't see any.
I have a whole hand of bees now.
I don't see any eggs,
Do you want me to smoke your
but I
hands?
see a lot of larvae. No, it's okay. Keep an eye on the queen for me. I don't want her to.
There
disappear.
she is right now. I just saw her.
Oh, let's see if she lays.
Sorry.
I want to see her lay an egg. Lay an egg, girly.
Oh. It looks like she is. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so close. Come on.
Don't touch her. What did I say?
Sorry.
I said 3 times don't touch her, and yet you touched her. Look at that. She's scared now.
Sorry, Queenie.
I said very specifically not to touch her. There's no reason to touch the queen.
I was trying to knock all the bee away.
It's okay.
She's going off of it.
Going around the other side. Alright, it's probably better that you're on that side anyway. Alright, I'm gonna keep an eye on her and carefully put this back because I don't see eggs on this frame. She's in the middle.
The bees are swarming
She's
around.
probably pretty good. Alicia, I need some
Smoke.
smoke.
Buddy.
Right here, bud.
I feel a lot more comfortable on that side.
You're doing fine.
Ooh, look at the bee.
Alright, let's get some of this bird comb off while we're here. Give me a smoke here, so I can get my burn comb off. If ever you see the bees in my way, you just smoke them. The whole point of smoke is so we don't crush bees. Like smoke again right here. Where my tool is, buddy. good. It's good.
So what do you want to do with the door cone?
Okay, go ahead and smoke me here.
So can I say something cool about
Right here, so give me a smoke.
Can I say something cool?
Right here, on these, we're getting the Berkham off, right here. Smoke here. Good. Good job.
Can I say something cool about today?
Sure.
So,
Can you get that? Go ahead. Don't be tentative.
ooh, look at that honey there. Look at that.
Okay, give me another smoke right here, please.
See, can I put this in my pocket for a second? Okay.
Need some more smoke. Off the camera.
So is that a GoPro thing?
No, it's just a camera. Okay, so the queen was in here, wasn't she? On this side. So I think we're gonna try to put a frame here and then 2 frames here. Will be the plan. If that makes sense to you. Okay, so
Wow, I just saw a beetle.
ton of brood. Ooh, look at this. That's a beautiful brood pattern. Do you see that?
Oh yeah.
Smoke the corner for me. Where I'm gonna put it down. Corner. Smoke the corner, please. Corner. You got it. You got it. All right. I don't see any eggs yet.
Are you doing anything with that? Who's what hanging down? Papa, can I tell you something cool about today? While I work on this. Papa?
Honey, can we just focus on what we're doing, please? Oh, there's eggs.
Where?
They're right in there.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Do you see them?
Yeah. They're like brightly, they're like bright.
Little
like
tiny rice grains.
Yeah, that's what they look like to me.
Yeah.
Like super tiny rice grains.
Yeah. Okay. Queen's laying.
That's
And that
good.
pretty much ends our inspection. We can get
Do you think we want
some of this comb off the
Yeah.
bottom. Yeah, smoke that and we'll pull that comb off. Smoke all this. Don't worry about putting your fingers on, just the bees will move out of the way. Go ahead, smoke that. One more, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Good. 1, 2, keep going, keep going. 3, keep going. 4, keep going. 5, keep going. 6. Alright, that's good. Here you go.
Okay. Whoa, look what one more beast like is.
Smoke here, buddy.
Okay. Smoke's like running out. Smoke's running out.
You gotta keep smoking, puff it up. It'll be good. Okay, we got this one here, which is nectar, nectar,
Nectar.
nectar, nectar.
Oh, it's crazy how these bees are just not stinging you.
There's a lot of eggs there. There's some eggs. And on this side, We have
Papa,
a lot of
Papa, I saw a bee sucking on another bee's tongue.
yeah, that's how they transfer food.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Have you ever seen that before?
These are just like empty.
Wow.
I feel like the queen needs to be over here. Well, she's laying though. She's just.
Does it matter if she's in like more in the middle spot?
Okay. No. Alright, so there's that. So now we have to check for enough sugar water. Ooh, we're empty. Oh, so they really wanted this. Oh, I should have had this prepared. Okay. Shoot.
Look at that honey at the bottom.
Shoot.
Should we get, wow, do we need that?
Yeah, go ahead and smoke this, please. Oh, just keep smoking it. Till we get off. We get to take all that off. Hey, keep smoking.
This is not doing well.
Just keep going.
Oh, there's some honey in it.
Just keep going. Go down more. Go down more.
One just tried to sting me. Papa, one just stung me, but it didn't get through, I think.
Okay, you're not. I need some more aggressive smoking. Give me the smoker.
Yeah.
If I touch the smoker with my hand, I'll get burned. It's hot.
It's not doing well.
Yeah. So we gotta add some smoke. Over this straw here. The smoker. Here, we gotta let's try it differently. Let's brush these bees off. I got my trusty.
They're just gonna sting me.
Here's my feather. There you go. Just brush these bees off. Brush these bees off like that. Come on, bee, get off there.
It has a little bit of honey on the big one.
Come on, get out of there. Get out. Out, out, out.
Did you get stung?
No.
What did you say? Out, Why'd you do that?
Because I said hold it. You didn't do anything. You're not listening.
Can I tell you what's on the phone now?
Wow. I can't believe they went through all of that already. They're hungry. Okay, so let's put a frame of wax over here like this. Like that.
Okay.
And we'll just we need to add some smoke to the smoker. Come on, bees, get out of the way. This, go back here like this. And then we want to do 2 frames here. This. And then we need to add pollen. One. that. And I think these guys need sugar water now, so we're gonna take it from this hive, I think. That ends the inspection, so let me turn off the camera. Excuse me?
Sure.